And we're back to learning Photoshop in the year day 98. Let me show you how to create a knockout text effect. I've got an image here. I'll make it invisible and a white background. Now use the type tool, add some text. And we can adjust, for example, the font right here and the style. But I believe I've got it already in bold. So you can select the text and then change it, or just deselect the layer, reselect it, and then change it, and it should be applied. So this would be bold. Let me use black, which is a little bit thicker. And then I want to size it up. So I use this option down here, left click drag over the icon. And let me just use 60 points. Then I press Ctrl A to select it all. I've got the move tool active, and then I can use the top function to put the text in center. I make the image visible again, press Ctrl T, size it up, holding Shift and Alt. I put the text layer on top so that we can see the text. Once that is done, we're going to create a rectangle. So use the rectangle tool, left click drag. Color doesn't really play a role at this step, but the position. So I'll press Ctrl A again, use the move tool and put it in center. But let me give this a red color so that we can see the black text that I put on top now. What I do now is to hold Ctrl and click on this little T icon in the layers menu. And this should select your text. Let me do that again. I press Ctrl D to deselect, then I hold Ctrl, click on the icon. We've got these marching arms. Then I select the rectangle layer and I click on layer mask. This is in principle what we want, but it's inversed. So what we have to do is we have to select the layer mask. So if it's not selected, highlight it in the layers menu, make sure to left click on it, and then press Ctrl I, which is the shortcut for inverse. And now this layer mask was inverted. We don't need the text element anymore. I can delete it. I can still change the color as long as I'm on the rectangle icon in the layers menu. Activate the rectangle tool. Let me sample this bluish color, or let me sample maybe like a yellowish. That doesn't look good. I'll stick with the blue one. So you can still adjust that, and you can also still move it around. So if you want to have it in a different position, use the move tool, drag it around. And this is how you can create a knockout text effect in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.